Hello, good morning, friends. This is Aishwarya here. We are here. We have a few bikes with us. We generally give our students for the basic training. So काफ़ी दिनों से बाइक्स खड़ी थी, उनकी हवा चली गई है. So Uttam has got an excellent pump, which he will just demonstrate how are we supposed to use it to refill the air. Good morning.
Good morning.
हम ये क्या कर रहे हैं? If you can explain. ये क्या है?
This is an air pump.
Okay.
ठीक है. To fill air into the tires.
Okay.
It needs to be attached to the battery first.
So you have taken out my seat
Yes.
of my motorcycle, and this is what you are doing. You are attaching it to the battery.
Yeah. Red goes to red, black goes to black.
Okay, so colors are mentioned clearly. If you can just show us where the red color mark has been put so that it is easy to.
This is the red color.
Okay.
Now you can either take the complete nut out,
Okay.
but I will not do that. I am lazy. So I will.
So you're partially touching it.
Yes.
But the important is connection actually.
Yes. So what I will do, I will just tighten it, and it is connected like this.
Oh, lovely.
So you don't have to open it completely.
Okay.
Now I will touch it over here. The main thing which you should always take care is whenever you are running this battery, don't run in an idle mode. It has to be in a switch on start mode. When you attach the black terminal, that switch it on, it starts working. So now just you have to just connect it with this valve, lock it, so we are almost done. Thank you for listening to us.